If you notice stains on your pool wall or discolored pool water, metals and minerals in your water supply could be to blame. Scale and iron control is especially formulated to prevent and remove buildup that often leads to staining and scaling. Always test your pool water first. Make sure the chlorine level is under 5 parts per million before adding scale and iron control. When using this formula during pool opening, add 30 ounces for every 10,000 gallons in the evening to prevent stains, water discoloration, and scale at the beginning of the pool season. As a part of your pool's weekly maintenance, add 10 ounces for every 10,000 gallons. We recommend adding this solution to a bucket of warm water and then pouring the solution around your pool's perimeter with your filtration system on. Keep your water circulating continuously for at least 48 hours for the best results. To remove existing stains and scale, use 60 ounces for every 10,000 gallons directly near the area of the stain. For maximum effectiveness, brush the stain daily. Water discoloration for metals should clear up in just 24 hours. However, stubborn stains may need a second application about a week after the initial dose. Check on your filtration system during treatment and backwash or bump your filter if necessary to prevent the buildup of metals from slowing down the water circulation. If you have any questions on treating stains or water discoloration from metals in your pool water, feel free to contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.